Solitaire Man.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone.
So guys, bisita natin from Cavite. Please welcome Sir Solitaire Man 2023.
Thank you. There's a light,
Wow.
certain kind of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be to live with you, be with you. There's a way, there's a way. Everybody say
Nice boys.
to do it to never routine. But what does it mean if I've got you? Yeah, got you, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. In my brain, I see your face again. I know every frame of mine will come to be so blind. Yeah, so blind. Oh, so blind. Oh, I'm a man. I'm a man. Can't you see the man? I'll be my blood for you. But what does it do when got you? When got you, baby. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you.
Wow.
The way I love you. Thank you, Sir Astro. Salamat.
Ayan. So, back kay Sir Solitaire Man.
Thank you po.
Ay, diba?
Hello po sa 20 million viewers yan. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. At magandang maulang hapon po sa inyo. Thank you po. Thank you, Sir Astro.
Once again, Sir Solitaire Man.
Hey! Thank you very much. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Cause every hour I cried before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we are the same. Head on out the door. Just one, gotta figure out what we could do. I'll never last for very long. What I would do wrong. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make tonight the glasses more than just one night. If we could just get to I know we could break through it. Thank you, Mama. Take you on beach. Gave it all, and I think I may have been too much. 'Cause Lord knows when I carry it away. Whatever all this moment, whatever we got going, it seems the times are all we can. We haven't got a break. Just one. Can we figure out what we keep doing? I will never last for very long. What I would do and just one. Can we find a way to wanna make it right? To melt, to blast, oh, just one night. If we could just get to, if we could just get to just once, I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Can we get ourselves together and admit to one another when the kid out each other? Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just one. Can we find a way to find and make it right? Thank you back to you, Sir Astros.
Ano
Thank you
masabi
very
dun eh?
much.
Just one. Super galing ng boses. Thank you so much sa nag-gift, Mami Chi. Thank you so much for gift para kay Solitaire Man. Thank you so much po yan. Kung pumanik, welcome po kayong pumanik dito. Ayan, so ako po muna kakanta. Kaya pong, ako lang po yung pampahinga ni sa Solitaire Man. Kaya po sa isang yung pinganta ko guys. Another one song po, ayan, para kay Astro. Gandang hapon po, Sir Solitaire Man from Maricel Almonte. Gandang hapon daw po, Sir Solitaire Man from Maricel.
Thank you po.
Ayan guys, para sa inyo.
Wow, maybe this time.
To all our friends, run all the places, talk about the places they's been. So old sweetheart fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know? Someday they'll meet again, and I don't need more. Never will send. Maybe this time we'll be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won it. Sure, I would. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they held back when they were too young to know his love is real. Somehow, someday, never change. And every sign has closed the place. It's burning even bright than it did before. I got another chance, and it's safe that it maybe this time you'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back and it's light, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won it. She smile like you smile way back time. Spill like you spoke way back when it cried. Sunny keep them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time you'll be love and the pine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back and it's light, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Ayun pa, paano yun, Sir Solotarman? Nagpapayok tayo ng song. Buti na lang, dumating ka, hulugan ng langit.
Parang back to back po tayo, Sir Astro.
Parang nagba-back to back nga tayo dito. Parang grabe yung ating kantahan. Ayan, so and another one song ulit kay Sir Solotarman.
Sige po. Thank you very much po sa iyo lahat.
Guys, so
Ganda.
ayan, pakinggan po natin another song, Sir Solotarman.
Shoutout po sa mga nandiyan. Good afternoon. Sa pagbata ng bawat oras ay ikaw, iniisip ko, hindi ko matutunti ng puso ikaw. Pinangarap ko simula ng mundo na balang ibig ang puso. Ikaw ang pag-ibig na hinintay, puso'y nalumbay ng katagal. Ngunit ngayon, nandito na ikaw, ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin na may kapabiyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Thank you, Marcela. Humihinto sa pamaparas ng tagpo, ang pag-ikot ng mundo, gigitin ko sa aking puso. Nasa ang tanong, nag-aalala mo, nagmamahal sa akin ng tulad. Ikaw ang pag-ibig ng hinintay, puso ay nalumbay ng katagal. Ngunit ngayon, dito na ikaw, ikaw ang pag-ibig na binigay sa akin na may kapabiyaya ka sa buhay ko. Ligaya at pag-ibig ko ikaw. Hindi pa umibig tagumpay ng katagal. Ngunit ngayon, dito na ikaw. Pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Puso ay nalumpay ng katagal. Ngunit ngayon, dito na ikaw. Pag-ibig na binigay sa akin ang may kapal. Biyaya ka sa buhay ko, ligaya pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Thank you, back to you, Sir Astro.
Grabe, ang pag-ibig ko'y ikaw. Grabe naman yan para sa mga bigo dyan.
May hugot-hugot pa sa'yo.
Grabe, ang ganda ng song ng aking kaback-to-back dito. Si Sir Solitaire Man from Cavite. Hulog ng langit, grabe. Lamig ng
It's
boses.
an honor po to be here, Sir Astro, sa inyong sa inyong live po.
Thank you so
Isa sa
much. Sabi ni Marcela,
pinaka-popular dito sa
lamig ng boses parang bagyo lang. Aileen Chavez, hello po. Hello to Aileen Chavez. Salamat po sa inyo guys sa baba. Ay, gusto niyo pumanik dito guys, panik po kayo. And sabi ni Ma'am Gemini 52675. Hello. I love you mga idol bro, Astro and Solitaire Man. Grabe naman sa I love you Ma'am Gemini. At sa Marcela Almonte, ikaw po talaga ang loads ko sir. Ayun, grabe naman si Solitaire Man. Thank you so much guys sa inyo. And sa mga dumadaan, sabi ng Aileen Chavez, may naligaw po diyan. Ay hayaan na po silang maligaw. At hi kay Poknat, tsara kay Poknat. Another one song ni Astro guys. Ayan, grabe. Mukhang tuluyan na mapaus ako dito guys. Ayan, sa mga dumadaan guys dyan, baka meron tayong mga singer dyan. Please, ayun, pwede po kayong pumanig dito para makikita sa amin ni Sir Solitaire Man. Ayan, sa mga gusto pong pumanig yan. Ay, welcome na welcome po kayo dito. O guys, para sa inyo, ang another one song ni Astro. Ayan. Woo! Thank you so much. Ba't sabi mo ang bawat sawi mula sa iyong mga bigatin? Ang laman ng isip mo damdamin, alaala ng pagmamahalan natin. Ngunit bakit ba biglang umain? Pangarap na dati ay bitin, pati na ang tamis ng iyong labi naging luha.